Try your hand at glass blowing and explore the world's largest collection of art glass in Corning, New York. The Corning Museum of Glass welcomes travelers to experience over 35 centuries of glass in a whole new way. Travelers can not only observe glassmaking through hot glass demos, but actually try to make something too. Eric Goldschmidt is taking us on a tour.
So this is the nature gallery of our contemporary art and design wing. Here we've got a piece called Forest Glass by Catherine Gray. And I don't imagine this is a favorite piece to clean for our curatorial team, but it's a very important piece of contemporary glasswork.
Beautiful works abound in the sleek, light-filled contemporary wing, including some surprising finds.
It's amazing what can be made out of glass. This doesn't even look like glass.
Glass is a material with a whole lot of potential to it. I mean, you take a piece like this, there are more than 4.5 million glass beads that are all strung together to make a mile-long rope right here.
And if you took glass for granted before, you most certainly won't upon entering the hot shop, where visitors can observe gaffers, master glassmakers honing their craft. I join Eric for a demonstration.
So how hot is this flame right now?
It's about 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit right now.
I feel like you have to be pretty brave to do this job, really. I mean, you're working with this really hot flame and hot glass.
It is a pretty intense situation.
Continuing to turn the molten glass is critical so that it heats uniformly and doesn't drip.
Looks like you're playing a flute.
There really are some similarities to playing an instrument. It's a very rhythmic thing. I have to blow at the right pace to get the glass to blow out uniformly.
Your Christmas tree must have some amazing ornaments.
My family does pretty well with the glass gifts, I would have to say.
Eric blows and turns and breaks and shapes what was once a rod into a candy bowl.
Voila.
So there we go.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, now I'll put it to the test because I'm going to try to make something.
Sounds good.
I don't think it's going to turn out like that.
Eric does have over 20 years experience in glass blowing, and I'm certainly new to the game. But over in a studio open to visitors, I've signed up for a class where I attempt to make a flower.
Good sound effects. Okay, let go.
Okay.
Okay. Now just smile.
It may not look like a flower Eric would make, but I'm pretty proud of my flower and can't wait to take it home.